In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Dynamite by BTS. It sounds something like this. Hey guys, my name is Cheng and let's talk about Dynamite by BTS today. Get your guitar and tune it up to your standard tuning and follow along. If you haven't listened to the song already, please go and have a listen first before watching this video, okay? Feel free to pause this video anytime you want, or you can just click on the timeline for specific parts of this tutorial. You are in standard tuning and this song has two keys. You will start with the E major and you will end up in F sharp major. Let's talk about the chords first. You only need to know 4 chords for this song. They are C sharp minor 7, F sharp minor 7, B major, and E major. Okay? Write that down somewhere. This is how you play C sharp minor 7. Index finger, A string, 4th fret. Okay? This is how you play F sharp minor 7 from the 2nd fret. This is how you play B major. And this is how you play E major. You can pause and rewind if you want to see it all over again. The song has 2 distinct phrasing patterns that switches between the verse and the chorus of the song. For the starting part and the chorus, you will be using shorter phrases. You're gonna be playing these 4 chords within 2 bars, okay? So it will be 2 counts of C sharp minor 7 followed by 2 counts of F sharp minor 7, and the next bar will be 2 counts of B major and then followed by 2 counts of E major. It goes something like this. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay. For the verse wise, it will be extended to 4 bars instead. Now it will be 4 counts of C sharp minor 7, 4 counts of F sharp minor 7, 4 counts of B major, and then 4 counts of E major. Goes something like this. Once you have mastered this, you can straight away play 80% of the song already. For the last part, when it changes key, all you have to do is just move these chords 2 frets downwards. So your starting chord will be D sharp minor 7 instead. Are you following? Your starting chord will be D sharp minor instead. And it will sound like this. Alright, let's play through the verse and the chorus together. Okay, I'm just gonna play 4 bars of the verse and then 4 bars of the chorus. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and That's it. If you learned something from this video, help me hit the like button and then subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments down below what other songs you want me to teach you in the next videos, I think. If not, I'll see you for my next video. Stay safe, everybody. See you. Bye-bye.